Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from Untitled Chapter, and I'm here to show you 3 cases I received from the good people over at Mobile Fun. The brand of these cases are Elixir. You can see the name right here. I'll leave the links at the bottom as where you can purchase them. The first case I have is the Sentinel Case. And it's actually a very nice case. It's a carbon fiber, brushed metal type of look. It has a nice feel, nice grip to it. It has the cutouts for the 3.5mm jack, the little speaker, the USB-C port. The buttons are protected. It has the opening for the fingerprint scanner, the dual lens, and the heart rate monitor, as well as the flash. And it protects the device pretty nicely, and it feels nice in the hand. I recommend it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, actually, it also comes with a screen protector, which is a nice added addition. As you can see, the screen protector comes with little black borders that actually match the borders of the S9 Plus, and it fits perfectly. I'll let you know how responsive the screen is when I put that on, but I will send you, like I said, the links to the case below in this video. The next case we have is the Elixir Mesh Case, and this is like a slimline type of case. It's very slim. You barely feel that it's on. It has this nice textured mesh feel in the back. I also like the fact that it gives you a separate cutout for the fingerprint scanner, so it might be easier to feel when you go to apply the fingerprint scanner. Also a cutout for the dual lens camera, as well as the flash. Buttons are responsive. Cutouts for all the openings. And I do like, and what I'm assuming here is that there's little slits on both sides, and I would assume this is where you actually, take off the case. It would seem a lot easier to do so from here. This also comes in 3 colors. As you can see, it's very slimline, ventilated, maybe helpful for the device in terms of heating up or overheating. I think it's a very nice case, very classy actually. As I put it on and look at it again, I think it adds a lot of style and class to it. Changes up the device a little. But I will leave some links down at the bottom. If you have any questions, please let me know. And the last case we have is the premium Elixir smartphone case. Now this one actually has the leather effect in the back. I don't think it's actually leather. It just has a nice leather effect. Feels nice. Looks good. Again, the device fits perfectly. Protection all around. And if I were you, I would probably get a case for this device because obviously it's an expensive device and you want to protect your investment. This is the way it looks. It's very nice, very classy looking. It does have that leather look. Has a nice feel in hand. The buttons are responsive. They have a little give, a little bounce to them, which seems nice, so you feel like you're pressing something. Also, I will leave a link to this down at the bottom of this video. Once again, I want to thank the people of Mobile Fun. And again, once again, I will say, it's a very good brand, Elixir. I would go out, I would try it. You don't have to take my word for it. You try it yourself. And then, you be the judge. But I would recommend them. This is Lenny from Untitled Chapter signing off. Thank you.